Remind me for my bike service at tomorrow 5 p.m. and also suggest me best Royal Enfield service center in Udaipur and best engine oil for my Classic 500.
I've scheduled your bike service reminder for tomorrow at 5 p.m. As for the best Royal Enfield service centers in Udaipur, here are a few options you might consider. 1. Sambhavnath Auto Parts. 2. Harry Om Enterprises. 3. J. Beranath Auto Garage. 4. Voyage Motors Royal Enfield Showroom. For your Classic 500, it's recommended to use Royal Enfield 15W50 APISL engine oil or Castrol Active Cruise 15W50. Both options are great for keeping your bike running smoothly. Let me know if you need anything else or if you have any other questions.
Okay, that will be all.